99.
99.
99.
Génitif.
Genitive.
Genitive.
Le chat de mon ami.
My girlfriend's cat.
My girlfriend's cat.
Le chien de mon ami.
My boyfriend's dog.
My boyfriend's dog.
Les jouets de mes enfants.
My children's toys.
My children's toys.
C'est le manteau de mon collègue.
This is my colleague's overcoat.
This is my colleague's overcoat.
C'est la voiture de ma collègue.
That is my colleague's car.
That is my colleague's car.
C'est le travail de mes collègues.
That is my colleague's work.
That is my colleague's work.
Le bouton de la chemise est parti.
The button from the shirt is gone.
The button from the shirt is gone.
La clé du garage n'est pas là.
The garage key is gone.
The garage key is gone.
L'ordinateur du chef est cassé.
The boss's computer is not working.
The boss's computer is not working.
Qui sont les parents de la jeune fille?
Who are the girl's parents?
Who are the girl's parents?
Comment est-ce que j'arrive à la maison de ses parents?
How did I get to her parents' house?
How do I get to her parents' house?
La maison est située au bout de la rue.
The house is at the end of the road.
The house is at the end of the road.
Comment s'appelle la capitale de la Suisse?
What is the name of the capital city of Switzerland?
What is the name of the capital city of Switzerland?
Quel est le titre de ce livre?
What is the title of the book?
What is the title of the book?
Comment s'appellent les enfants des voisins?
What are the names of the neighbor's children?
What are the names of the neighbor's children?
À quelle date sont les vacances des enfants?
When are the children's holidays?
When are the children's holidays?
Quelles sont les heures de consultation du médecin?
What are the doctor's consultation times?
What are the doctor's consultation times?
Quelles sont les heures d'ouverture du musée?
What time is the museum open?
What time is the museum open?